Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on what time you are watching this video. My name is Ivane Triumph, and I'm a computer science student. The purpose of this video is to show you guys how to make just like basics of making AI generated images. Now, at the end of the day, we need to be creating, we should know how to create AI images, make nice flyers for businesses, people that owns businesses with AI. But for today now, I'll be giving you the basics, like I said, how to start up, what you need, the tools you need, one, how to register those, how to get those tools ready, and one sample of an image. Now, it's going to be a simple image. I have an image open here. I'll have to switch to my camera because I'm just using one phone as videos. So I'll have to switch to that. So I just want to clear your mind first and make you understand what this video is for. First is for making AI images. Now, what you need first is Cloud AI, Gemini AI, and Pinest. For those of us that don't know Pinest is like an image application that you have series. It's more of an inspiration. It gives you images that you can easily make or recreate. Now, first is Claude AI. I have to switch to my. Hello guys, so like I said earlier, what you need is Claude AI. You also need Google Gemini and Pinterest for inspiration. Now I have my system here, but you can also use your phone. I will also make another tutorial for using on your phone, but let me just use this as a system so that it will be way faster. Now I have Google Chrome. This is the image I want to use to recreate. This is the image I want to use to recreate another image. Now this is the image. Now I will have to go to Chrome here. I have my Chrome opened here. So now this is Cloud AI. This is the site. I already registered. If you've not registered, I advise people to always with register with your Gmail. Just sign in with Gmail. So you don't need to be putting details like the first name, second name. You just link directly to your Gmail. And you don't need to put password that you'll be forgetting your password again. You can just sign in as Gmail and it will just redirect you to the site. So I already registered here. You can see it's a free plan, no payment. Now, Google Gemini also, same process, register also, free plan also. Then also Pinest, free also. You can get images and anything from here. So this is the image. This is an image that I saw on Pinest. Looks really cool, black and white. I love black, so as to say. So this is the image you want to recreate. And that image that I first showed you is my image. This is my picture that I want to use to recreate with that image I just showed you on Pinterest. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this image like this. I'm going to copy this, copy. I just copied the image now. So I'll go to Cloud AI, and paste the image. So I just paste the image. Now, what you need to create this now is prompt. The prompt is the most important part. Now, most people get confused because when they say, Triumphant, so how did you get prompt to make this image? Because I post most of those images. If you've been on my YouTube, you'll see images on how to create those images. But I don't used to show how to make those prompts. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to make those prompts. Now, what you will need to do is you have to prompt Claude AI to prompt Claude AI to give you the detailed prompt on how to recreate this image. Now, I'm actually still working on a master prompt that can prompt any AI to give you the full prompt of making any image. But I will have to hold that now. I'll not disclose that now. I'll have to disclose it in our next video. Now, what you need to do now is to prompt Claude AI to give you this image. Now, what you do is come and type here. I want to recreate. I don't know if if you can actually see this. I want to recreate. It's kind of blurred, but I don't know. Yes, recreate this image with the face of my own original original picture. My own original picture. Output the prompt for an 8K ultra realistic studio studio picture. Yes. Now, this is a free Claude AI, like I said earlier. For it to give you a perfect image, is you can note some things down that I said recreate this image with the face of my own original image. That's one. Then output the prompt with 8K ultra realistic studio picture. Now, why I added this is you can see I've seen some images online that they will look like you. Once you see this, you already know that this is AI. But if I'm adding this, it's going to make it so realistic that if I did not tell you, you would not even know that I used AI to recreate this particular image. So that's just why I added this. Now what we are going to do now is to send this and wait for Claude AI to give us the. Now this is the prompt. This is the prompt. And this is the prompt. So what you just have to do is to come here and copy the prompt. Come here and copy the prompt. Copy, Control C. Just copy the prompt. Then go to Gemini AI and paste the prompt. I just pasted the prompt on Gemini AI. Now, there are some settings you need to do on Gemini AI for you to get a perfect image. Even if you are using the free version of Gemini AI, I think you can still create like 4 or 5. Yes, I think 5 images. The 5 Pro images. Now, what you do now is go to this fast down here, change it to Pro. You change it to Pro, then you go to this option here, also the tools, then you put it on create image, Nano Banana create image. Now once you click that, we need one more last thing now. What we need now is the face of the image we need to recreate it with. Now I showed you the image earlier. This is it. So what we just do is to copy the image, go directly and paste it on Google Gemini. Now allow it to load. Once we paste it now we need to add one more little prompt. Now this is very, very important. We need to come at the beginning, open bracket, and add using the uploaded image face as reference. Yeah, this is very important. So this, we got the prompt from Claude AI. Now, for us to perfect it with Gemini AI, we need to add this prompt. So it will note that this image here is what we are using as a reference. Now, all you need to do now is to send and hold on for it to create. Now you need to send and hold on for it to create. So you see it's already generating your image, which is cool. Defining the composition. You just have to give it some. It depends on how network is in your area. It's just going to create. Now this is just a sample of an AI image. Still creating. Now, while it creates, let me just explain some things. Now, you can see that it's suggested that you can use Midjourney and other versions of AI, but I prefer using Google Gemini because it gives this nice touch and look to your image. Now, let's check back. Still creating. Since it's the pro version we are using, on the free version, it's going to take a little bit time to recreate. It's definitely going to take a little bit time. You can see it's still, and probably network. Network also can also, yes, now I think it's creating already. Yes, look at the image you got. Look at the image you got. See how nice this image look. Let's download it, or let's download it through. Let's download the image. Downloading image. And so we'll be able to, you can see 1,800 and something kp. You see, that means it's high quality. It's not a blurry image. It's an image. Look at now. Look at the image. See how nice it looks compared to this. It's the same face but different version. I don't know if we will see this now. It's very clean, nice touch. Look at the pimple. If you notice the little pimple on the forehead is there. Every detail is there. Every detail is there. So that is just how to create this kind of images that looks perfectly cool. Now you see the advantage of using Claude AI is you can also give it a prompt to make different versions of that same image. Now you know I got only this image that is just putting his hand like this. I can make it to do another style. I can make it to change pose. Same picture, same everything, but for it to change pose and change other things. So now let me just make another image and see. So what will come here and tell Claude AI is another pose style. Now, if you have in mind, probably you want him to stand up, or you want him to raise his hand up, or you want him to do as if he's saying something, you can tell him tell the AI to make another version of anything you like. But let's just give the AI make the AI to make the options for us. Let's see. Here are some poses. Now it will give us what vibes are you going for. Now it gives us, it says standing arm crossed, confident and powerful, slide profile looking away, mysterious editorial, clean against wall, one hand in pocket, then looking down straight mode. Let's use this first one. Standing arm crossed, confident and powerful. So these are that pose. So now it's suggested different option for us. Now this is the prompt for creating it. So what we just have to do is to copy it. All we have to do is, oops, sorry, is copy it. So all we have to do is copy, just copy this. Now we'll go back here. Now for us to save our time, instead of pasting the prompt and uploading again, and uploading, what we just have to do is to come here and edit this prompt. We have to edit this prompt. So we edit from this A because we are still using the same image as reference. So we just edit from here. Just edit from here. Then we'll paste our prompt. We paste our prompt. Then we'll remove this. Mistakenly copied this. Mistakenly copied this and we send. So you can see now, it's still, if you notice, it's still using the pro version. So you still get a perfect, clear image. Now it's now recreating. I think you can get 4 to 5, sometimes 5 options of this pro version of Gemini AI. You can get up to 5 versions. Now it's recreating. Now, so you can move through. You can use any of this image. But now I want you to note something why it's creating. Don't use images that have tags on it, like images that have the the author's signature or the author's brand, any image that is branded. If you use it, it will not give you that exact image because it's more of copywriting now. I don't know if most of us know what I'm trying to say. You understand? It will not give you like images like this. Images like this is what I mean by branding. This is what I mean by branding. But if you see some images that are just clear, you can easily use them. But some images, they are branded. So I will advise us not to use images that are branded. Now, once you come here, see our image is almost ready. Now you see this. See this. Another style, another pose, but still the same image and the same face and everything. Let's see. Now you see this. See how cool this looks. See how cool this looks. See how cool this looks. I'm going to upload a shot that will be showing this image like clearly so you would see it perfectly well. But also I will upload the shot after this video. You can check my channel and you'd see it. So you see now we've successfully created. Now you can go on and on and on and on and on. Like you can create 10 to 20 to 30 images just from one prompt. That's what you can do. So that's that. So that is that about that. So all we've done today now is know the tools to use to create AI images and how step-by-step process in creating them. So if you've seen my videos before, I would say open Google Gemini, upload your image, paste prompt and send. With that now you might not really understand, but with this video now, I'm certain that you would understand totally how to recreate an AI image with your own image. I'm going to paste this prompt in the description, and don't forget, if you have any question, just paste it on the comment section and I will answer your question quickly. That's that, and thank you for watching. So thank you for watching this video. I still remain Emmanuel Triumph Tolilope. As time goes on, we'll start getting nice ideas on how to make cool and nice looking ultra realistic, like direct realistic AI images. Thank you. Please don't forget to tap the follow button and like, comment and share. Thank you and God bless you.